she lied to the country when she said she did not send classified information on her server. She lied.
According to the manual, if you're going to classify something, there has to be a header on the document, right?
Correct.
Was there a header on the 3 documents that we've discussed today that had the little C in the text someplace?
No, there were 3 emails. The C was in the body in the text, but there was no header on the email or in the text.
So if Secretary Clinton really were an expert at what's classified and what's not classified, and we're following the manual, the absence of a header would tell her immediately that those 3 documents were not classified. Am I correct in that?
That would be a reasonable inference.